Hey, it's Jules from GF Jules. I have my sourdough starter ready to go. You can see it is ready and very active. All these nice little bubbles. And I'm going to start my sourdough and rise it and bake it in a Dutch oven. So I'll show you that process real quick. And you'll find the full recipe directions at gfjules.com. So let's get started and make some delicious gluten-free sourdough bread.
I pulled my gluten-free sourdough starter out of the fridge, fed it, and let it sit for about 12 hours before using it for this recipe. Here are the ingredients we're going to use for this simple gluten-free sourdough recipe. You can find the flours as well as this handy banneton at gfjules.com. I love using bannetons for rising my breads. You'll just take more of your gluten-free flour and put it in the banneton to lightly flour it so that the dough does not stick when it's rising. You're also going to flour your surface where you're going to be rolling the dough so that it won't stick to the surface. Using a bench scraper or just your hands, incorporate more of the GF Jules gluten-free flour into your dough ball and just keep kneading it and shaping it until you're satisfied with your shape and how smooth it is, and then transfer it into your banneton or your prepared bowl or other form that you like to use to rise your bread. Then you're going to spritz it with water. I like to do that, it helps for rising, and cover it and set it aside to rise in a warm spot. Preheat your oven and your Dutch oven to 500 degrees, then transfer your risen dough to parchment, which you're then going to put all of that inside your hot Dutch oven and bake for 20 minutes with the lid on. Then you'll take the lid off and reduce the temperature to 450. Bake for about 25 more minutes. You'll know it's done when the internal temperature is over 205. Isn't that gorgeous? It smells amazing too. I know it's going to be hard to wait, but wait until it's fully cooled before slicing it, and then you'll have this well-deserved, gorgeous, delicious, gluten-free sourdough bread.